안녕하세요. 괜찮아요? 나도 괜찮습니다. 사랑해요. 나도 사랑해. You guys might find me crazy, but for those people who know कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, उनको समझ में आएगा. But I am stuck in this big loop जहाँ से I just cannot come out of it. क्योंकि for those people, those friends of mine जो जानते हैं मुझे, they know that I am a big fan of Korean dramas, and it has been an year now since I've been watching them, and उस loop से मैं बाहर निकल ही नहीं पाई हूँ, you know. तो so I actually want to share with you कि किस तरीके से I ended up watching these Korean dramas and how it's going on. So my journey towards Korean drama started back in college when I actually got a series that's Train to Busan. Back then I didn't know that was a Korean drama और क्या सीन है, मुझे एक सीरीज मिल गया, I ended up watching it ऐसा. But उस एक्टर का नाम what is it, Bong Woo, I'm not sure, but इतना कैस सीरीज है. It was a movie I guess, not a series also, but इतना मस्त. I mean उसका ट्रॉमा अभी तक है. इट्स अ ज़ॉम्बी मूवी, मतलब ऑसम. एंडिंग में इतना रोई हूँ मैं, दैट्स टू कॉमन कि हर सीरीज की एंडिंग में मैं रोती रहती हूँ. बट it's very good movie. This is the first movie that I actually ended up watching as a Korean movie, and I didn't know back then it was a Korean movie. Anyways, few months back, out of nowhere, I started to watch Legends of the Blue Sea, because recently I got a subscription from Netflix and stuff, and brother is paying for it, thank God. So the first ऐसे just like that, क्योंकि मैंने किसी से सुना भी नहीं about Korean dramas, nothing. ऐसे ही मैंने देखना शुरू, मैंने कहा let's, मुझे thumbnail अच्छा लगा, I started watching this thing Legends of the Blue Sea, and actor also इतना पता नहीं था. तो initial starting में जो episode था wasn't that good. I wouldn't say it was very good, but वो initial stage था मेरा भी. तो while I was watching, I found the whole series so fascinating कि इतना soft story, love, drama, thrill, comedy, everything in there, everything. मतलब first time किसी को Korean drama देखना होगा ना, I would definitely suggest do watch Legends of the Blue Sea, because Lee Min Ho मेरी जान है. मतलब क्या बताऊँ सच में. मतलब he's so cute, and I don't know if it's the same for everyone, क्योंकि एक्ट्रेसेस को तो इतना ध्यान मैं नहीं देती, लेकिन ली मिन हो इट्स जस्ट की कैस बट insane. The female did a great job, I should say. The next, because of Lee Min Ho, I ended up watching The King. For those who have watched, they would really understand कि The King, मतलब in Legends of the Blue Sea, he's matured. He's smart and everything, but in The King he's a bit more of a gentleman, or smart, mature again, and it's again real life नहीं है. There's a two world thing, and the Legends of the Blue Sea, maybe there's a two world, and I don't know, he ends up in these kind of movies. Anyways, he's a king, and too much, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा. Initially उसमें भी comedy है, thrill है, and the ending is kick-ass, I should say. Then because of Lee Min Ho, I ended up watching The Inheritors. The Inheritors या फिर The Hires. Awesome. मतलब मुझे लग रहा है Hires was a series that came in before these two series, the Legends of the Blue Sea and The King. और उसमें he's a school kid, I guess, and the whole story is so sweet, बहुत emotional at the same time. And there are parts in the series wherein I end up crying so much. एक part है उसमें जहाँ पे Lee Min Ho, because the female, just leaves him and goes back, hides somewhere because of his father. वो ढूंढता है उसको, and he is crying his hearts out. और मैं रात को सोते वक्त देख रही हूँ, and मतलब सोने के लेटी और मैं देख रही हूँ, इतना रोई हूँ. I also ended up crying my eyes out like that. तो क्या बताऊँ, awesome. Then I watched It's Okay Not to Be Okay. Average, ठीक है, ऐसा वाला. The actor is also nice, female actress is also good, not bad. Then My Love from the Start, because of the actor from It's Okay Not to Be Okay, I ended up watching the My Love from the Start. वो भी थोड़ा supernatural thing, normal love story, supernatural again, but it's nice. ऐसे. Then, talk about it, Vincenzo. Oh my god, he really looks like a baby. His features and everything. Vincenzo is a gentleman. He's smart, he's handsome, everything. मतलब वो एक सीरीज की वजह से you can be a fan of him. Swag और बिल्कुल माफिया, बिल्कुल the thing. मतलब you will go crazy for him if you watch Vincenzo. ऐसा. And the female is also kick-ass, I should say, because I am already a big fan of wearing suit and coat and stuff, and she's just carrying those very, very nicely. Anyways, because of Song Joong Ki, I ended up watching The Cute Guy. ठीक था, it's an old series, I guess, soft love story. इतना मजा नहीं आया. I won't insist that, but anyways. The next, Dots as in Descendants of the Sun. Usme he has got a totally different attire, where he's an army person, leader of the army, and normal raw Song Joong Ki, and at the same time gentle, smart and handsome. And the whole series is about an army man and a doctor who works together at the time of an pandemic as in there was an earthquake thing happening, and they both work together, save lives of people, like that, and their love story in between. Amazing. इतना मतलब crazy मैं किस चीज़ के लिए नहीं हूँ ऐसा वाला. So because of that series I ended up learning few songs in that series. Which कौन सा है? First one, हंसना नहीं है, I know कि the lyrics might not be that good, or but I'm just trying in. Oh, every time I see you 걔는 너를 볼 때면 자꾸 가슴이 뜨설레어와 내 운명이죠. 세상 끝이라도 되고 주고 싶은 나라 살아. There's another one. Yeah, there's another one that is 나의 두 눈을 감으면 또르르르 흐른 건져 자꾸 가슴 시려서 잊어지길 바랬어. 꿈이라면 이제 길어졌으면 쥐발 저 멀리가 나의 운명이 걸까. 넌 fall in you. मुझे पूरा गाना आता है, but मैं किसी को बोर नहीं करना चाहती, so I won't sing. Next, सब छोड़ दिया मैंने कहा अब मैं सॉन्ग की कुछ नहीं देख सकती. आई एम सैचुरेटेड जहाँ पे इट्स ओवर द ब्रिम लाइक दैट. देन आई वॉच्ड गॉब्लिन द गार्डियन. ओ माई गॉड, आफ्टर द लेजेंड्स ऑफ द ब्लू सी अगर मुझे कुछ सजेस्ट करना है आई वुड से डू वॉच द गॉब्लिन, दैट इज द गार्डियन. ओ माई गॉड, अगेन जोंग वू नाम है उसका, द पर्सन हु डिड दिस थिंग ट्रेन टू बुसान. इतना cute story. It's about a goblin that is a magician, I guess. Jadugar, something like that. So it's a magician, and he, because of some curse, he ends up living for ages, searching for his bride, who would relieve him from the curse, like that. Some sword on his chest, and the bride has to remove the sword and stuff. So इतने साल तक वो जी रहा है just to meet his bride, the goblin's bride. So obsessed, you're gonna be obsessed. Yeah, there's another thing. Then Goblin, there's a beautiful song that is beautiful life. It's beautiful life. Though it be so okay. Beautiful life. 알라래 너와의 담연 숨 쉬는 것만으로도 좋아. Beautiful life, beautiful day. 너의 기억에서 내가 살 텐데. Beautiful Goblin के बाद I ended up watching, because of the Lee Dong-wook, I watched The Tale of the Nine-Tailed Fox. It's cute. Story is again supernatural thing. A fox और वो normal humans के बीच में रहता है, and he's also searching for his girlfriend who died ages back, and he is waiting for a reincarnation so that he can reunite with her, like that. So simple story, not bad. But the next series that I watched was W. बंदे का नाम नहीं पता मुझे. What is it? Lee Jong-suk. तो W, again the supernatural thing, unreal, cartoon and real life thing. It's also nice. Then I watched Pinocchio, same Lee Jong-suk का. तो it was fine. Different story. This Pinocchio thing is a syndrome wherein the person cannot lie, and if at all she or he does, they start to hiccup. So she ends up becoming a reporter, where she anyways has to say the truth. If not, she will hiccup, and other person will know that she's not saying the truth. Anyways, so then I was crash landing on you. Little did I know that Korea इतना modified, इतना developed country होने के बावजूद, I didn't know that there's a other part of Korea wherein you've got a North Korea and South Korea, and वो दोनों साथ में कुछ खास मज़े में नहीं है ऐसा. तो because of this series I actually came to know कि North Korea में the scenario is totally different, the ruling is different, their developmental progress is different, whereas in South Korea बिल्कुल perfect country. And but then मुझे नहीं पता किस हिम्मत से उन्होंने ये सीरीज़ बनाई, but seems like ये सीरीज़ हिट गई है ऐसा वाला. So pretty much nice. I liked it. I mean, ending is so good because anyways they cannot stay together at one place. So every year 1 week, in the end मैं बता रही हूँ, every year 1 week he comes in for a piano concert or something when he participates, and she comes to South Korea, and she goes there to South Korea, at the particular place where the concert is going on, and just एक साल में 1 week they meet and they chill together like that. तो मुझे नहीं पता कैसे उनका काम चल जाता है, but yeah, they do that. Then what's wrong with Secretary Kim? ठीक था, not bad. वो भी शायद थोड़ा सा it's a nice series, तो it's fine. Then Fight for My Way, अच्छा था. I mean, four friends, they stay together. One wants to become a boxer, but due to some history he's not doing that, and soft story, nice. Then Memories of Alhaba, पता नहीं, मज़ा नहीं आया मुझे. ठीक था ऐसा वाला. उसमें the actor of Crash Landing on You is there. Then Strong Woman Born Su. Yes, I should admit कि वो बहुत अच्छा सीरीज़ है, क्योंकि एक तो बहुत अडोरेबल. आई मीन दैट फीमेल इज सो अडोरेबल, मैं क्या बताऊँ. शी ऑल्सो लुक्स लाइक बेबी. सोनजुकी का सीन है उसका भी, शी ऑल्सो हैज़ गॉट दिस बेबी फेस. तो एंड द मैन इज़ वेरी क्यूट. उसमें आई रियली फील कि मतलब आजकल के लड़के आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा होते हैं. आई डोंट नो. आई मीन क्योंकि उसमें द गाय इज़ लाइक वो थोड़ा सा भी कुछ बोल जाती है तो वो इतना शाय हो जाता है. ओह आई विश मेरा बंदा भी ऐसा होता, लाइक दैट. तो एनीवेज, द नेक्स्ट होटल द लूना. IU इज देयर इन दैट सीरीज, एंड इट्स सच अ प्रिटी सीरीज आई वुड से. मतलब जहाँ पे आफ्टर डेथ दो सोल्स either go for the afterlife or they go to this hotel where these souls stay in, so that उनका जो भी grudges है सब कुछ खत्म हो जाए, and then peacefully they go for the afterlife. तो वेरी क्रिएटिव स्टोरी, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल स्टोरी, बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन, एंड अनदर लव स्टोरी इन दैट. तो दे एनीवेज आर सीन टुगेदर. देन हवारांग. सारे हैंडसम उसी के अंदर है, मुझे नहीं पता. इनिशियली ऐसे मेरे क्या ओल्ड सीरीज है थोड़ा सा, आई मीन थोड़ा एंशियंट सीरीज होगा ऐसा वाला, बट दैट सीरीज जस्ट ब्ल्यू माई माइंड. क्योंकि इनिशियली ऐसा मज़ा नहीं आया, फिर ऐसे स्लोली देखना शुरू किया. वी इज देयर, वी और द अदर 2 guys, 2-3 guys, everybody सो प्रिटी कूल. स्टोरीज बहुत ज़्यादा मस्त, एंड सारे हैंडसम्स को साथ में देख के जो ट्रीट था टू आईज was too much. So this are the few which I saw before coming to UK. यहाँ पे आके प्लीज यू गाइस, यू वांट टू सजेस्ट सम गुड कोरियन ड्रामास टू मी, बिकॉज मैं कह रही हूँ ना, एक लूप के अंदर मैं बंद हो गई हूँ जहाँ से मैं निकलना मुश्किल हो गया है. पता नहीं मैंने ये क्यों वीडियो किया, कि since quite a long time I wanted to do this video because I have seen quite a lot of good Korean dramas जो मैं चाहती थी कि लोग देखें, लोग enjoy करें. So that is why I told a few. So the first, if you guys are planning to watch, should be The Legends of the Blue Sea, then The Goblin, then Vincenzo, then Dots. You'll be urged to watch Dots, I tell you, पक्का. ऐसा आप देखना शुरू करोगे एक टाइम के बाद, आपका पूरा नेटफ्लिक्स में कोई इंटरनेशनल, कोई मलयालम, कोई हिंदी मूवी कुछ नहीं दिखेगा, आपको सिर्फ कोरियन ड्रामास दिखेंगे. या एंड यू विल बी अर्ज टू वॉच दोज ड्रामाज ओनली. अब मैं इसको डिसएडवांटेज समझूँ कि एडवांटेज समझूँ, मुझे नहीं पता. तो एनीवेज, thank you so much for watching my channel, you guys. Please stay tuned to my channel. Do like, share and subscribe. Yeah. So goodbye. Thank you so much. Bye.